I'm Tim, and this is my wife,
Maribeth.
We realized that we had some radon mitigation needs in our home. It's an older home, 1973 or 74 that it was built. Wanted to take care of the radon, but we wanted to, update the basement at the same time. So we actually met Dan originally about 9 years ago when he did a remodel for our main bedroom and bathroom upstairs. So when we were thinking about doing something again, we definitely knew we wanted to go with him again. Dan's very good to work with. We had some broad ideas about what we wanted to do down here, and he really filled that out and made a lot of great suggestions.
We are now in our 70s. We've been homeowners really since our 30s in different places, so we have done a lot of work with a lot of different contractors, and by far, none of them measure up to the confidence that Dan has instilled in us. We never worried once he took on a project, will he actually finish it? Is he going to come back? Are there going to be huge overruns? There was never any of that. He came to us with detailed plans. We knew exactly how much it was going to cost. All of the people he brought in, the plumbers, the electricians, the people that do the flooring, everybody was just wonderful, easy to work with, and so kind to us, so respectful.
Dan takes our concepts and he lays out some, detailed designs, trying to incorporate that. We work with him to modify those. Once we got into the project, we had a certain idea about what we wanted to do in the ceiling in the storage room, and we were just going to leave it open because we didn't want to close it in right away. But we did change our mind along the way, and Dan was very accommodating and had some great ideas on how to do that and actually make the room much more functional with some changes that he suggested. I guess the favorite thing is that it's much more open than it was. We lived in this house now almost 30 years, and up till this time, we really didn't use the basement because it wasn't really functional. Since we've had this remodel, we spend most of our time down here now enjoying this beautiful work, and we're just so pleased with the craftsmanship and quality. It's a pleasant place to be now.
Our friends like it, our family likes it, and that means a lot to me that they are happy down here. We play cards, we play games down here, we put puzzles together, we play ping pong in the back room, whereas before, when we would have them come over, we would eat at the dining room table and we'd have to clear all the dishes off, and then we would, play cards or whatever it is that we were going to do. Everybody contributed and did a wonderful job for us, so that it matters.
All of his crews are very professional, very personal. They respect your home. They clean up at night. I would highly recommend Country Creek for any projects that you have. They do quality work. They show up when they say they're going to, and you're going to be happy with the project when you're done.
He made us feel like we were very important, and he listened to everything we had to say. He was very tactful when he would shoot down a few things, but he always made us feel very respected, and I just feel that anybody who I cared about that was looking to do a project, I would direct him toward Dan and his whole crew.
It's a family business, and they treat you like family.